In the modern world, great leaders resolve their conflicts with words. Jet launcher. Carbon bombing. Tomahawk missiles.
Forming us, sir! Fire at will! Enemy in perimeter, range 200. They're everywhere!
My general, accept the counsel of your compatriot, Kenwar Khan. We have lost many soldiers in our struggle with the Eastern Dragon, but as a result our enemy has spread its defenses too thin. They have left important economic and civilian targets unguarded. This should be our next objective in our war against the global oppressors. Let us rise again, my brother. You can lead us to our final victory.
The time has come. Our cause is just, and our soldiers stand ready. We shall fall upon our foes like lightning from a cloudless sky. Cover! Look out! They shall flee before our righteous anger. And their armies will come to ruin.
A warrior has fallen.
Our clan is strong. It still run. It still run. And ready. No lack of courage. At your request. Let's get in the fight.
Ah! That will teach the Chinese. I killed 3. Vengeance is sweet. I killed 4.
Terror Squad, move to our mountain hideout and prepare for counter-attack. The Chinese are scouring the hills for our hidden base.
General, the Chinese are dug in around that hydroelectric dam. Destroying the dam will free the villagers from Chinese tyranny. The Chinese have laid claim to this peaceful village and are spreading their vile propaganda among these simple fishermen. We have rumors of a secret arms dealer operating in this area. If we can find him, we can buy weapons for our cause. General, our goal is clear. Destroy the dam. Make the Chinese pay for their arrogance.
I will obey. I'm just a peasant. What do you want with me? Are there not better tools?
I will send a clear message. Nothing stops the mail. Transporting. Nothing
Building
stops the mail.
construction has been completed. Do not hurt me. Does it have to be so far? Can I have some shoes? If that is what you want.
The Chinese are close. Let's give them a
Radio
surprise.
silence, fools! We will fight when we are
Sorry,
ready.
no tracking number. I'll disguise myself as
That's
an
an
easy
eagle.
disguise. Loaded and ready. Shipment on the way. Transporting. Shipment on the way.
I'm just a peasant. Can I have some shoes?
Light tank of the
Yes,
GLA.
I understand.
Upgrade
They must
complete.
die.
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
Not responsible for damaged goods. Here I come. Transporting. Right on schedule. Here I come. Shipment on the way. Right on schedule. Nothing stops the mail. Right on schedule. Arming high explosive bomb. I have a delivery. High explosive bomb loaded.
Chinese forces approaching! We have found a secret way. It's poorly guarded. We have the dam
For the
in our sight.
GLA!
Fire!
Such is the fate of our enemies. Ruin and death. Behold, doom has come to our enemies. Like a tide we shall sweep over them and drown them in their own greed and evil.
I will obey.
That will teach the Chinese.